The Afghanistan-Iran border is 921 kilometers in length and runs from the trip point with Turkmenistan in the north to the trip point with Pakistan in the south. The border begins at the trip point with Turkmenistan in the Harirud River before proceeding overland, just to the east of the Iranian town of Taibad. The border then follows a series of short straight lines, passing through the Daryache-e-Namaksa and the Dak-e-Patagon salt lakes. Two beaks of Iranian territory protrude into Afghanistan along this section. The middle Turkish section consists of a series of straight lines through a plain, with some mountains to the south, ending at Kusia Mountain, where the border veers sharply to the east. It cuts through Haman Lake before turning south, where it follows the Va6 River down to the confluence with the Helmand River. The border is then formed of a long straight line segment going southwest to the trip point with Pakistan at the Kuai Malik Saleh mountain. The border traverses a generally arid, inhospitable region with few inhabitants, except in the Zabul Zaranj area where the main border crossing is located. The border between Persia and Afghanistan was formalized in the period 1872 to 1935 by a series of third-party arbitrations, stemming from the Treaty of Paris via the Helmand River. Both parties eventually accepted this proposal, however it was not implemented further at that time. The Goldsmith boundary proved to be inadequate, especially given the shifting of the course of the Helmand, and thus a more precise boundary was drawn up in three sections over the following decades. The northern section by General C.S. Maclean, British Consul General for Khorasan and Sistan, in 1888-91. The southern section by Colonel Sir Henry McMahon in 1903-05 and finally the middle section by Turkey's General Fahrettin Altay in 1934-35. After each demarcation, boundary pillars were erected, leading to a total of 172 pillars being erected in the non-riverine sections of the border. The boundary itself was not disputed after 1935. However, disputes over the allocation of water resources in the region rumbled on for many years and were not finally resolved until 1973.